Good morning, everyone. It's a little cloudy today, but I wanted to take you guys with me today to show you just a little bit what in a day that I do. I'm in my comfy robe, and I'm in my slippers. These are like reflexology slippers. See, those are like little pressure points. I bought these in Hawaii. My aunt and I both have them, and these are just my house shoes, and they're comfy. And I just love this robe. It is so comfy. It's a cloudy day, but we will continue the cloudiness and be all comfy. It wasn't too bad walking Shiva this morning. It was pretty nice out. It wasn't as hot. But today I am getting acupuncture. I am going to get a juice because my skin has been breaking out, and I think it's because of my iron pills. One, because I'm pretty sure iron just naturally a lot of people break out from, but I just realized that it has folate in it, and the last time I took B12 drops with folate in it and my face broke out. So I'm gonna stop taking those, start taking my skin, hair, and nails vitamins. I'll show you those, and they're vegan, and when I take them, my nails grow so fast. Let's get to the day. I'm gonna show you, my friend gave me a late wedding gift, but I'm gonna show you what it is anyway. Here's Fluffy. This is what she got me. You can see me in the reflection. It says Devin and Jasenia Poisson. Above are the exact deception of the night sky of September 15th, and that's when we got married. There's the coordinates. So this is the star constellation from when we got married, the night we got married. So I thought that was really cute. I love it so much. Hi Shiva, good morning. Anyway, so she got it for me, and I texted Devin to show him what it was, and he was so upset because that's what he was gonna give as our wedding gift for 1 year. So it's kind of funny. I was like, wow, everybody knows me so well that I love astrology and the stars. I know that it's like super dark in here, but I have my Himalayan salt lamp to give like an ambiance vibe. It looks like it's like going to be nighttime, but it's actually 9 o'clock in the morning. But I wanted to show you a little bit of what I use in the morning time and how I prep this beautiful skin. I have 2 pimples in my eyebrow. Isn't that the worst when you get pimples like in your eyebrow and around them? But anyway, I'm breaking out like crazy, and I haven't broken out in a long time. Not like excessive like this since I've gotten the microneedling done. But this is what the first product I'm using is my serum from Michel, hyaluronic vegetarian serum. Pretty much out, but this helps plump and hydrate my skin, especially since it's summertime, and also because I live in Arizona and it is just hot. Make sure you get your neck, people. Yeah. Put a hair mask in my hair 15 minutes ago. I'll show you what that is. My hair has been super dry. I've been using this Pacifica Banana Love. I just put it in before I went for a walk with Shiva to give like my hair an extra boost. I just ordered my Kalia conditioner and shampoo. This is a Canadian brand, and I really like it. The last time I used this, my hair like grew a couple inches. It's all organic, vegan, paraben free and stuff like that. It has essential oils, and I bought the hydration one because I had the purifying one, but I just feel like my hair's like really dry. Next up, this is my favorite sunscreen. It's by 100% Pure green tea, and it has SPF 30. I have been wearing SPF 30, or I've been wearing sunscreen, which wasn't something I've always done. I haven't always done that, but now it is essential that I put sunscreen on. It's so important to protect your skin, especially even if you don't think like, oh, but I'm not going outside. When you're sitting in the car and the sun is hitting your windshield, you're still getting those UV rays, and especially again, since I live in Arizona, the sun is so much stronger. I do have Michel Sun Protection SPF 50 sun shield, but this leaves like a cakey, like, not a cakey, but it leaves like a white coat, where this one, it's so pretty and smooth. It's such a light scent of green tea, and it does not leave my skin looking pale. Like a lot of and I'll just like rub it on my chest, a lot of the vegan sunscreens, they leave you so like pale white, but this one, it just blends in so nicely. It gives you like a little bit of a, you know, white tint, like very, very little, but not compared to the other ones. I am just in love, and I put it on every single day. And it is vegan, and I always rub in an upward motion. As a massage therapist, when you massage even when you're massaging the back, you always massage towards the heart, going upwards, even though my heart's here, but even in the face, you want everything that go upwards, especially because of like preventing aging and wrinkles. You want to go upwards, but the stroke in massage is called effleurage, just in case you're wondering. Then next I go in with my coffee bean caffeine eye cream. It is, let's see, focus, there we go. I love this thing. I think you're just meant to wear this at like night, but I put it on morning and night because it just smells divine. I love it so much. And I just rub it upwards again and then around my eyelids. And it's just so beautiful. And then the last step, I use some rose water and I spray it. I sprayed it even in my hair. And that's my prep for the skin. And I kinda will let my skin let all that product seep into my skin for like 10-15 minutes before I apply makeup. Usually it's like I wind up waiting an hour because I'm eating breakfast and stuff like that. Is the outfit of the day. Obviously I won't wear these shoes when I go out. I'll just wear like some flip-flops. I have my lapis lazuli necklace on. I have a lapis lazuli bracelet and a aventurine necklace on, and then my Alex and Ani elephant, and then my hoops. I bought these at Target and I love them. And my hair is just curly. It's still wet right now, but I'm wearing this top. I'm wearing this cute tank top. It's like off-white. There's Shiva. Hi, Shiva. And then I got these jeans at Rue 21. They look good on the back side. They're just a little weird in the zipper front. Let me pull them a little higher. But that is the outfit of the day. It's about 95 degrees out today. Usually it's 106, 108 out, but today is a cooler day out. And then Miss Shiva. Hi! Then we got my diffuser on. I have Citrus Fresh going. It's a little sunny, but not as sunny as it usually is. Right, girl? Okay. I'm gonna show you guys what I got in my Niyama Soul box. I get this is the seasonal Niyama Soul box, and I get it obviously every season. This is the summer edition. I'm so in love with Niyama Soul. The reason why I started getting it was, of course, because I love Jennifer Lopez. If you guys haven't noticed already, J-Lo does a sponsorship with them, and she does the Niyama Soul box as well, or sponsors the Niyama Soul box, seasonal box, whatever it is. Jennifer Lopez is the reason why I started getting the seasonal box, because I didn't even know what Niyama Soul was until she posted about it. The first box I got was the Gratitude box, and that was back in December. And then I got the spring box, which was in around March. And then this is the summer box, and I got this in June. And I just absolutely love their box. Their clothes are made out of recycled material. The leggings, softest leggings I've ever worn. I love them so much. They are so comfortable. I'm gonna try on these leggings, and then I'll try on the other two leggings that I have as well. The first box, which was the winter season box, was all about gratitude, and the pants are say gratitude on it. The leggings say gratitude on it, and all the little things it came with was all about gratitude. I forget the theme for the second box, but it was all about self-care. Also, what I love about them is because they're themed every season. each theme revolves around a yoga nidra, and it's related to yoga, and I love that. I love that so much because I'm obviously big into yoga, and it's just a great way to have something for yourself, and I love it because it's seasonal and it's not every month. So let's open it. I haven't opened it because I was saving it particularly for this video. So you'll get a card that shows you what you're gonna get. So obviously the leggings are gonna be cheetah pattern, which is really cool because I only have one thing that is cheetah, and it's a pajama pants. So let's see. I forgot to tell you the theme of the summer, and it says a leopard never changes her spots. Why? Because she's comfortable in her own skin. And this comes in this pamphlet. It says, if we could all sing Billy Joel's Just the Way You Are to ourselves, the world would be a better place. Practicing the second Niyama, Santosha, means being entirely content or completely satisfied with full acceptance of where we are right at this moment, physically, mentally, and spiritually. And I got a discount code for my next purchase, which is really cool because they were late for their last season box, and they gave us a $50 gift card, and I got this cute little green beanie to have when I go to Japan. They're very, very good like that. And then when it comes in the package, it comes in like this. So we'll open that up. Here are the leggings. They are gorgeous. Look how pretty. Ooh, something smells really, really good. Oh wow. I don't know what it is. It smells like a perfume. But these are the leggings. Look how cute they are. Cheetah pattern. And I love how it's like lighter in the middle and then it darkens in the outside, so it fades more towards the middle. These are them. I get a medium size. The first box I got, I did get a small, and it did not fit me. Ooh, next up we got a cute little tote. It says, "Baby, you are a work of art. Niyama Soul." Oh, I love totes. This is great. This is so cute. And then it has all these little string things. Next up, I'm so excited. I already knew these were coming in. These are the Quay Australia glasses. I'm so excited because I was gonna buy these because Jennifer Lopez also collaborates with Quay Australia. And good thing I didn't buy them because they are $90 glasses, and it came in the box. And it comes with this cute little pouch. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. A little white pouch. I love white things. Ooh, you gotta be easy with that. And these are the glasses. We got those sunnies. Aren't they cute? Oh yeah, these are the sunnies. I'm gonna rock these today. So cute. I'm gonna take the tags off and put them in the pouch. I'm so happy I got these, and I'm so happy I didn't buy them because they were coming in the package. Then I got this self-love rhodonite. It activates confidence, self-love, and well-being. It is a crystal. And I also got this aventurine necklace in the last box from Niyama Soul. Came with 2 butt masks from Body. Your butt deserves attention too. But it is the new face. How funny are these? They're plant-based. This one's plant-based. Collagen, butt mask, hydrating and toning. This one is butt cheek mask, brightening and rejuvenating. I've never seen such a thing. It even shows 2 butt cheeks. That's really funny. And then I got, talk about manifesting, guys. I got these 2 forks somatic mushroom golden latte mix and mushroom cacao mix. I wanted to try their chocolate because I love mushrooms. They're so healthy for us, and I got 2, and which is so cool, guys. I manifested the glasses and 4 Sigmatic because I was gonna buy a box, and I decided not to. Oh, this is what smells so good. These are incense sticks from House of Intuition. I actually just went to California with Devin when he was here in May, and we went into the House Intuition store, and I was like, Oh my god, this is where my candle is from. In the last box, they gave us a House Intuition candle. I'll show like a view so you guys could see it. Oh, I wish you could smell these. They smell, oh, so divine. We're gonna do one of these today. And then they always give stickers, which I love, because I always put them in my journal. This one says, I love my butt. That's hilarious, like a heart, but it's opposite. And this one says self-love. Now I'm gonna go try on the leggings for you and show you what they look like on. The Cheetah Santosha leggings, they are so comfy. And I like because you can raise them or you can simply fold them and do it like that. Fold them over, it's hard to do with one hand. But I wear these leggings like this, and they're high top. They are the cutest. I'm in love. I've never been a big person to like cheetah patterns, but these are so cute. I'm so in love with them. They're so comfy, and I just really love they fade inside and then they get darker outside. And these are the mermaid looking ones. It's like scaly and like this fades out on the out and it's darker in the middle. They're so cute. That's what it looks like in the back. It really shapes your butt, makes your butt look really good. I love these as well. I was just wearing them the other day. So this was the spring season, and then I'll show you this really like shows the tone in my leg. These are the gratitude ones. I always get compliments on these. They're so pretty. They have like flowers, roses, and they say gratitude on them. Look at you doing downward dog. Are you okay? What's wrong? What's wrong? They are super soft. Niyama, so please sponsor your girl because I love your product. The beanie that I got, it's like a mint green. I really love it. It's super comfortable and it's just so cute for the winter. I just studied for about an hour or less. I was talking to my friend Caroline. I totally procrastinated. Here is the new Quay Australia glasses that I got. We're going to Nectar. I'm gonna go get a green juice. So let's go. There is Nectar. This one's a small one. I've been in a bigger one before. Spirit. Juice, freshly made. She asked if I wanted ice and I was like no, because that like dilutes your juice, but now it's like room temperature. Meanwhile it's 110 degrees or maybe 108, 107 because my car is hotter than outside. It has spinach, kale, lemon. I got the greenie, whatever the greenie has, that's one your girl got. The sun is setting, I mean. I'm here at school to get my treatment. Acupuncture. When Caroline bleeds you. I am home from my acupuncture treatment. I forgot to end the vlog. So I'm actually editing the thumbnail right now for this video, but I hope you guys enjoyed a little bit of today's vlog, and I'll see you guys next time. Namaste. The light in me honors the light in you.